my friends! Welcome to our channel, Wise Kids! Today, we are diving a little deeper into learning common sentences in Hindi. We are going to listen to a short story and use Hindi sentences in between, and later we will do our quiz. So listen carefully. Are you ready? Let's go!
Go, go, go!
One sunny morning, Rahul woke up and said, Shubh Prabhat, good morning, to his family. His mother replied, Shubh Prabhat, Rahul, aap kaise hain? How are you? Rahul smiled and said, Main theek hoon, I am fine. After getting ready, Rahul went to the kitchen where his mother was preparing breakfast. He asked, Kya main madad kar sakta hoon? Can I help? His mom replied, Haan, yes, yahan aao. Come here and please get me pani, water. As they sat down to eat, Rahul's father asked, Tum kahan ja rahe ho aaj? Where are you going today? Rahul replied, Main school ja raha hoon. I am going to school. His father said, Kripya, please take your umbrella. It might rain. On his way, Rahul met his friend Arjun. Rahul said, Namaste Arjun. Aap kaise hain? Hello Arjun, how are you? Arjun replied, Main bhookha hoon. I am hungry. So, they decided to share an apple. At school, Rahul saw a new student looking lost. He approached her and asked, Kya aap Angrezi bolte hain? Do you speak English? The new student nodded. Rahul said, Mera naam Rahul hai. My name is Rahul. Aapka naam kya hai? What is your name? She replied, Mera naam Sia hai. My name is Sia. Later that day, Rahul accidentally bumped into Sia and her books fell. He quickly said, Mujhe maaf kijiye, I'm sorry. Sia smiled and replied, Koi baat nahi, it's okay. Dhanyavad, thank you for helping me pick them up. As the school day ended, Rahul said to Sia, Phir milenge, see you later. Sia replied, Phir milenge Rahul. When Rahul returned home, he told his parents about his day and the new friend he made. His parents were happy and said, Dhanyavad for being a good friend, Rahul. Before going to bed, Rahul said, Shubh Ratri, good night, to his parents, and they replied, Shubh Ratri, Rahul. Now that you have listened the common sentences, let's have a quiz so you can practice a little bit more. You will do great! Let's get started.
Translate how are you in Hindi. क्या कर रहे हो? आप कैसे हैं? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
And the correct answer is,
आप कैसे हैं? How to say my name is Tina in Hindi. मेरा नाम टीना है. ये मेरा दोस्त है. मैं खुश हूँ.
And the correct answer is,
मेरा नाम टीना है. Translate thank you in Hindi. कृपया, आपका स्वागत है. धन्यवाद.
And the correct answer is,
धन्यवाद. How to say please in Hindi. शुक्रिया, माफ कीजिए, कृपया.
And the correct answer is,
कृपया. How to ask where are you going in Hindi. आप क्यों रो रहे हो? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? आप क्या खा रहे हो?
And the correct answer is,
तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? What is yes in Hindi? हाँ, जी नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
And the correct answer is,
हाँ. How to say no in Hindi. शायद, नहीं, जी हाँ।
And the correct answer is
नहीं. How to say I am hungry in Hindi? मैं थक गया हूँ, मैं उदास हूँ, मैं भूखा हूँ.
And the correct answer is
मैं भूखा हूँ. What does good morning mean in Hindi? शुभ रात्रि, शुभ प्रभात, शुभ संध्या.
And the correct answer is
सुप्रभात. Translate this in Hindi. Do you speak English? क्या आप हिंदी बोलते हैं? क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? क्या आप संस्कृत बोलते हैं?
And the correct answer is
क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? How to express I am sorry in Hindi? मुझे खुशी है, मुझे माफ कीजिए, मुझे गुस्सा है.
And the correct answer is
मुझे माफ कीजिए. What does good night translate in Hindi? शुभ दोपहर, नमस्कार, शुभ रात्रि.
And the correct answer is
शुभ रात्रि. How do you say see you later in Hindi? फिर मिलेंगे, कल मिलते हैं, आज रात को मिलते हैं.
And the correct answer is
फिर मिलेंगे. How do you say can you help me in Hindi? क्या आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं? क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? क्या आप मुझे देख सकते हैं?
And the correct answer is
क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? How to say I am learning Hindi in Hindi? मैं हिंदी सीख रहा हूँ, मैं हिंदी जान रहा हूँ, मैं हिंदी पढ़ रहा हूँ.
And the correct answer is
मैं हिंदी सीख रहा हूँ. How do you say excuse me in Hindi? फिर मिलेंगे, माफ कीजिए, शुक्रिया.
And the correct answer is
माफ कीजिए.
I had so much fun with you. I hope you had fun too. If you want to see more of these videos, then please like and subscribe so you don't miss any update. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Keep learning.